Today, I'm going to go over the steps to download WorldEdit onto an iPad Minecraft Bedrock edition. First, I go to the Google page and search for MCPEDL Bedrock WorldEdit. The first link that pops up says Bedrock edition. I click on that, and there is a green link, skip to downloads, and I click on that. That will take me to the downloads list. The one on the top is the latest version. I will click on this link and check I'm not a robot. Then I wait for the progress bar to finish. Get downloads. I believe I have to click this one more time and then say, do you want to download WorldEdit? I say, yes, download. That would save a file to my downloads folder. Now, if we go to the folder and locate the files and go locate the WorldEdit file, and if you click it, double click it, that will load the package into Minecraft. So import started, failed to import because duplicate pack. Right, because I already have it. But if you didn't have it, now this will load the WorldEdit import it to your Minecraft. Then I start playing and create a new world. I will select creative peaceful mode. This is not the only way of doing it. It's just how I do it. And then advanced, and I will do a flat world since it's easier for us to build big structures using WorldEdit in the flat world. Then cheats, I will allow cheats. We can skip resource packs and go down to behavior packs and activate the Bedrock WorldEdit package. Experiments, beta APIs, we will toggle that on. And in this pop-up window, I will say turn on experiments anyway. Once all of that has been done, we will say create and create anyway. This will give you a flat creative mode world. And the first thing we need to do in order to use WorldEdit is to go to chat and commands, and I will tag at, you can do at self, so that's at S or at all players. So I'll do at all, either way is fine. Add WorldEdit, and then this says you have been given WorldEdit permissions. Go to settings, how to play. You can look at that for a guide. There's a lot of details there. Now we're playing in WorldEdit. From there, we're going to use semicolon. So I say semicolon, give myself a kit, a full kit. And that gave me wooden axe, fill selection, and a bunch of other things. If we use the wooden axe and you do a mining action, that will give you the first position of the selection. And then you tap it, that gives you the second position. And now if we fly up and take a look, I selected this area. Say if I want to turn this area into something else, I will go to chat and commands, do semicolon, set stone, and that will set the selected area to be stone. So now I can also decel. That means deselect the area. The second thing is that you can build some structure. For example, a sphere. I go to chat and commands, semicolon, sphere. Let's say I want a lime wool, lime underscore wool, and the radius is say 6. And that created a radius, a sphere with radius 6, but I'm kind of trapped inside, so it's kind of dark. What I'm going to do is remove put some of the things here. I will use them later, but right now I need an ender pearl. And I'll teleport myself out of here. Then you can see the big sphere. That's it for today.